This is Reggie Madan. In this video we are going to see about the polygon and the circles. So what does mean by polygon? Polygon, it is a shape and it is a closed shape and it is made up of line segments. So only the two conditions: if the shape is a polygon, it should be the closed shape, and the second point, it should have only the line segments. It should not contain any curve lines. Okay, so these 2 points are the conditions for the polygon. So how the polygon will be? The polygon must be a simple shape and it is a closed shape, and the third one, it is made up of only the line segments, not the curve lines. So here I have given the examples for polygon. Just look at this. So this will be the examples for polygon. Let's see the types. We have so many types of polygon. So here I have given the different types of a polygon. First one is a triangle, then quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon and heptagon, as well as octagon. So as well as triangle, everybody knows it contains 3 sides, and quadrilateral, it contains 4 sides. If it's a pentagon, it should have 5 sides, and if it is a pentagon, it should contain 5 sides, and if it is hexagon, it should contain 6 sides. So a polygon with 6 sides will be called as a hexagon. As well as if it is a heptagon, it should contain 7 sides. Okay, polygon with 7 sides will be called as a heptagon, and if it contains 8 sides, it will be called as octagon. So 3 sides means triangle, 4 sides quadrilateral, 5 sides pentagon, 6 sides hexagon, 7 sides heptagon, as well as the last 8 sides, it is called octagon. So here I have given regular shapes, but now we are going to see some irregular polygon. But if the polygon contains 3 sides, if it is a regular polygon or irregular polygon, it will be called as a triangle. Okay, in the same way, if it is a polygon means we know only the 2 conditions. First condition, it should be the closed shape, and the second one, it should contain only the line segments, not a curved lines. So if 2 conditions are satisfied, then it will be called as a polygon, right? So if it is a polygon, if the shape is a polygon and it contains 4 sides, in the sense, that will be called as a quadrilateral. So quadrilateral may be in this form or in this form. Okay, so if it is a regular or irregular, that doesn't matter. If it contains 4 sides, if it is a polygon, then definitely it will be called as a quadrilateral. In the same way, pentagon can look like this also. Okay, as I said, if it contains 5 sides, it will be called as a pentagon, and the same as a hexagon as well as the octagon. Okay, so now we are going to see the diagonals. So diagonals, you may know already. So whenever you're just adding or connecting the 2 vertices, you know, right, that corner points. So these are the vertices. Can you see that I have named the vertices A, B, C, D, E. So these are the vertices of vertices of pentagon. This is the pentagon shape, and A, B, C, D, E are the vertices of this pentagon. Now if I connected these 2 vertices with the line segment, that is called a diagonal. Okay, so diagonal means it is a when you are connecting the 2 vertices, it will be called as a diagonal. Okay, so now we are going to see about the circle. Circle everybody knows, and now we are moving to the parts of a circle. Okay, so as we have in our human body, we have different parts. In the same way, circle also contains different parts. Let's see what is that. So the first one is a chord. Let me show you the picture, then it will be easy for you to learn. So just look at this. This will be the chord. Okay, this can be a chord. This is the diameter actually. Diameter is the longest chord of the circle. Okay, chord in the sense, when you are connecting, if you are connecting the two end of the circle, that will be called as a chord. Okay, let's see the definition. So chord is a line segment. It's joining any 2 points on the circle. The points, it may be in anywhere of the circle. Okay, it should be lie on the boundary of the circle. You know, right, what does mean by boundary? That outer circumference. Can you see this outer line? This is called the boundary of the circle. So if the line segment join 2 points on the circle, that line segment is called as a chord. Okay, so a circle contains n number of chords. Okay, and the diameter is the longest chord of the circle. So diameter also a chord. It is the longest chord of the circle. Okay, let's see the next one. So as I said, diameter, it is a chord passing through the center of the circle. That is the second point. It is the longest chord, that is for one thing. And if that chord passing through the center of the circle, then that will be called as a diameter. Okay, segment. What is meant by segment? In the sense, if a chord divides the circle into two parts, chord will divide the circle into two parts, right? So that each part of the segment, each part is called as a segment. Okay, if you're drawing a chord, just imagine this is the chord. Yes, actually this is the chord, and by drawing this chord diameter, we can have two half of the circle, right? Two halves we have. So two parts of the circle we got. So this each part is called as a sector. Okay, this each part is called as a segment. Can you see this? Here this is in the white color. This is one part, and this yellow color is in another part. So this each part of the circle is called as a segment of a circle. Okay, and now we are going to see the circumference. Circumference in the sense, it is a length of the boundary. That boundary is the outer line, and the total length of the boundary is called as a circumference. Okay, and just look at this sector. What is meant by sector of a circle? Sector in the sense, so sector in the sense, it is a region. Region means it is an area which is enclosed between the two radius. Can you see this? This AB and AC is the radius of a circle, and this area, this green color area, is covered by this two radius. Okay, so if the area enclosed between the two radius, and that is called a sector. Okay, sector of a circle. Okay, and look at this radius. Radius means a line segment which is joining the center and any other point on the circle. Can you see this? Always the radius will draw from the center of the circle. So it's joining the center and any point on the circle. So that is called a radius. Okay, and if the area is enclosed between the two radius, that area is called as a sector of a circle. So just look at this. Here I have given two circles. One is in a red color, and another one is in blue color. This blue color is called as a minor arc, and this red color is called as a major arc. This major arc, minor arc is nothing but if the region in the sense, I told you already, it is an area which is covered by the segment of a circle is less than the region of a semicircle, means that is called as a minor arc. And if it is more than the semicircle, means it will be called as a major arc. Okay, more than semicircle means major arc, less than semicircle means it is a minor arc. And semicircle, you know, half of the circle. Okay, diameter, it is dividing the circle into two semicircle, and the semicircle means it is a half of a circle. Okay, so that's all about the parts of the circle as well as the polygon. Thank you all. If you didn't subscribe my channel, please go and subscribe it, and like this video. If you like this video, please share with your friends. Thank you all. Bye bye. Cheers.